Now let's break down InvestAnswers bullish $920,000 Bitcoin price prediction, because he says we're going to hit this price a lot sooner than many of you anticipate. Let's break it down. This is brand new prediction. The anonymous host of InvestAnswers predicts that the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF will trigger massive inflows from the Wall Street giants. Send it. Let's go. He shares with his 500,000 YouTube subs that investing giants Fidelity Investments, Charles Schwab, Citadel, Deutsche Bank, BlackRock, Nomura, Franklin Templeton collectively have $25.22 trillion worth of assets under management. As you can see here in this chart, enter Wall Street with a 0.5% of the assets under management allocation over 1 year and over 5 years. As you can see, Fidelity Investments has 4.5 trillion, Charles Schwab 7 trillion, holy moly, Citadel 0.5 trillion, Deutsche Bank 1 trillion, BlackRock 10 trillion. Insane numbers, fam. And again, that's a total wealth of over $25 trillion coming from the major asset management. Now, according to the analyst, if the 7 Wall Street firms allocated just 0.5 percentage point of their assets under management to a spot Bitcoin ETF in the first year after the April 2024 Bitcoin halving, then Bitcoin can surge by approximately 3,219% from the current levels in less than a decade. Let's freaking go. Quoting him here, if the Wall Street giants allocate 0.5% of assets under management, that many believe they will probably do very easily, especially with the connections of pension funds, etc., that need some type of alpha to dig their pension funds out of the hole, or else they're just going to go backward and become defunct. This is the assumption that 0.5% of assets under management goes in the first year from April 2024 all the way up. And if this happens for that first year, the demand will spike for the price of Bitcoin by April 2028, right? That's just 2 halvings away, fam. And again, assuming that just that 0.5% allocation happens within the first year and another 0.5% in the second year, etc., etc., that will take us to the price of $920,000 per Bitcoin in the year April 2028. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the analyst. And as you can see in this chart, the next cycle, minimum performance in a smooth line, assuming Wall Street just allocated 0.5% of their assets under management per year, is going to lead us to $920,000 per Bitcoin by April 2028, literally 2 halvings away. Now, on when the Wall Street giants can start buying Bitcoin, should spot Bitcoin ETFs get the green light? Here's what the analyst says. One of the senior executives from BlackRock said they will get the spot ETF in the next 3 to 6 months. And as I have said, it has to be before the halving. BlackRock doesn't want to come in after the halving. They know when the fireworks are to go off. Preach. We all know, fam. And to watch this video analysis done by InvestAnswers, the Bitcoin price is likely to hit $920,000 per coin by April 2028. Check the show notes below the video in the description and let me know, how high do you think the Bitcoin price action is likely to soar for this cycle peak? I personally predict it's going to occur sometime in 2025. I believe 2024 next year, year of the halving and year of the ETFs finally getting the approval in the United States. We hit all-time highs, but I think we hit that cycle peak the following year. And I love Max Kaiser's interim short-term price prediction of 220,000 per coin. But personally, I feel that is very modest, to say the least. I can see a multiple 6-figure Bitcoin price easy peasy for this cycle peak. But what's your thoughts, fam? Let me know in the comments right down below.